What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Therapy on Two Wheels. Today's video is going to be a quick review of the crash bars that I bought on eBay for the Honda CTX 700N. I purchased these bars for about $90 from a seller on eBay. They didn't initially come with any instructions on how or where to mount these bars, so I did reach out to the seller directly for a PDF copy of the installation instructions, which made it a lot easier to install. Now, overall, it took me about an hour to get both of the bars on this bike, and they are a pretty solid construction on the bike here. And what you'll notice is that they don't stick out too far, so it does have more of a uniform appearance with the rest of the bike. Now, I haven't dropped or crashed the bike yet, but I have confidence that these will hold up with any of those forces when that time inevitably does come. Now, that's going to wrap it up for my review on the crash bars for the Honda CTX 700N. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy life and ride safe.